Now this weapon comes in this beautiful casing. The cleaning rod was not there, this was my personal, and this I have improvised. I have put holes to store some ammunition. This is the .22 of CCI, and this is the .22 of LA, which I am storing here. Because this weapon comes with a beautiful box like this of Ordnance Factory, and apart from this box, this lock I have improvised as a stopgap measure so that accidentally it is not accessed by any kid or any child in my absence. At least some deterrence is there, although I keep it in lock and key always, but at least whenever it comes out, at least some deterrence is there. So I put this number lock thing. After number lock, this is the case ready to keep this weapon safely. Although the Ordnance Factory has stopped such production, but you will be able to get this weapon, some old piece, for 60 odd thousand rupees. And the newer version is a snub barrel version of this weapon, with barrel only this much, and its pistol grip is also very small, this much big, and it's called Leader revolver, around 50,000 something. But for self defense, rather than not carrying anything, I would recommend .22 is a very good caliber. Thank you.